How to clean hard water stains from toilets. Can you use baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to clean toilets? Well, in this video, we are going to find out if this method starts right now. Alright, so this is the stain and you can see the hard water, just the regular brushing is not working. And then if you see, look way down there, you can see the hard water stains in there. It's not easy to scrub anymore without anything. I tried few things and you can see all around there in there, but it just wouldn't come off. So as they always mention that you can use baking soda with hydrogen peroxide, I am going to give it a try and see if this really actually works, because I want us to see that if it actually works. And so let's start doing that right now. Before you do this, try to protect your eyes. I have these clear glasses that I wear anytime I'm doing anything cleaning like that, because you want to protect your eyes. And I'm going to use disposable gloves because I don't want to keep it. Once I use it, I throw it away because I don't want to just keep anything that I use here. So just use a disposable gloves. So we are going to use hydrogen peroxide and then the baking soda. So they have two different baking sodas. You can use any one. They have this is solely for, you can use it for cooking as well as cleaning. And then there is also this, which it says for baking, but also can be used for many things. So it doesn't matter which one you are using. I just thought I'm just going to use this one. So to do this, you are going to scoop some of the water out. You can use dry and wet vacuum to do it. You can also use just a little cup like this, something that you know you are not going to be using for eating anything. Something like this. Just use something that you can, either throw it away later. I have scooped quite a few and I'm going to do more. You can also use a towel to dry it out, and this is what I'm going to use. And after using this, I'm just going to throw it away. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm just going to wet that. And be mindful, you're going to be smelling some odors are going to be coming out of here. Okay, so that one is dried out, and I'm just going to have a plastic bag with me, which I just put this in because I don't want to mess up my bathroom with all this. Alright, so I am going to pour half cup of hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to dump that in the bag. And you can hear the sizzling because the chemical is reacting to all the stains in there. Then we are going to do 1 cup of baking soda. Alright, so I just added a little bit more peroxide. At least I'm making it 1 cup so it can cover all the stains. Now we have our baking soda ready and we are just going to sprinkle that in and let's see what happens. And I'm going to make sure this is all in. And we are going to leave this in for 15 minutes and we'll come back and see how this does. 15 minutes and then you can see the reaction already that is coming out. So after 15 minutes, we'll see if this is actually going to take the stains out of the toilet. And that will be a proof that the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide actually works. Make sure you put on your goggles, your eyeglasses to protect your eye because you don't want this to get into your eye. And I'll see you back here in 15 minutes. So it has been more than 15 minutes. I let it sit for 18 minutes. So this is what it looks like after the 18 minutes. It has really fizzled out and you can hear the fizzling and then the bubbles came out, and even you can see some of the bubbles are still breaking out or going down. You can see that. So we are just going to give it a quick brush and then we're going to flash it and see if this really works. So I am going to scrub it. And it's very important, make sure you have your glasses on to protect your eyes. And I'm going to scrub the whole back as well. Make sure we get in the corner. Make sure that this really works. Okay, now we are going to flush. Okay, as you can see right there, we still have this stain. It works a little, it takes something few off, you can see a little change from it, but it really didn't take everything out. As you can see, the stain there is still there. Alright, so friends, you can see after using the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, this is what we came up. It really didn't do much. That you can see from here. I even left it on for 18 minutes and this is what happens. So does the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide really works? I would say it didn't work much. You need something stronger. I said I think we'll have to use something different, and in another video we are going to try something else to see if that will work. The next thing that I'm going to try is going to be Coca-Cola, as people said it really works, but I want to see it for myself, so we are going to test that as well. So now you have it. Doesn't really work. Hello friends, your safety glasses are very important for your eyes whenever you are trying to do any cleaning, especially in the toilet. So please make sure you protect your eyes. It's very important. And as you can see in the video, does the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work? Well, in this video, we just see that it does not really work that much. We still have the stain as it is. It just scrub it off a little bit, but the stain is still there. So what do we do next? We are going to try and figure it out. I want to experience the Coca-Cola method, which people use, that it really works. I want to see that for myself, that whether it works or not. So now we knock out the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, that it doesn't really clean stains or the hard stains out of your toilet. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel. Also watch the next video for the Coca-Cola method and see if that really works. I know at the end we are going to really find exactly what works to clean our toilet, as you and I do not have time to be wasting. So I will see you on my next video. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Homemaking made simple. Subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more test and verifiable videos like this. And if you know of any toilet cleaning product that really works, leave it in the comment section below for me. And watch the next video about the other 3 cleaning products that I've used to clean the toilet. And I'll see you on there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on that video. Bye.